Guide to TSP to Gold IRA Rollover at 72. Managing retirement savings at age 72 requires careful planning. Many retirees choose to move part of their Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, into a Gold IRA to diversify their portfolio and protect against inflation. This guide to TSP to Gold IRA Rollover at 72 explains the process in simple steps. A Gold IRA is a retirement account that allows you to hold physical gold and other approved precious metals. Gold is often seen as a stable investment during uncertain economic times. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Understand TSP withdrawal rules. Before starting a rollover, learn the rules connected to your TSP account. At age 72, required minimum distributions, RMDs, may apply. Understanding these rules helps you avoid penalties and unexpected taxes. 2. Review your financial goals. Think about why you want to invest in gold. Common reasons include diversifying retirement savings, protecting wealth from inflation, reducing market risk. Knowing your goals can help you decide how much of your retirement savings should go into a Gold IRA. 3. Speak with a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you understand the rollover process and explain possible risks. Professional advice is useful because retirement accounts have important IRS rules that must be followed carefully. 4. Open a Gold IRA account. To complete the rollover, you need a self-directed Gold IRA account with a trusted custodian. The custodian manages the account and keeps your investments compliant with IRS regulations. Look for a company with good customer reviews, clear fees, experience with Gold IRAs. 5. Transfer funds from TSP. After opening the account, begin the rollover process. A direct rollover is usually the safest option because the money moves directly from your TSP account to the Gold IRA without creating tax problems. 6. Choose approved gold products. Once the funds arrive in the new account, you can purchase IRS-approved gold investments such as gold coins, gold bullion bars, other approved precious metals. Choosing different types of gold assets can help balance your portfolio. 7. Monitor your investments. Gold prices and economic conditions change over time. Review your Gold IRA regularly and make adjustments if needed to keep your retirement strategy on track. This guide to TSP to Gold IRA Rollover at 72 shows that moving retirement savings into gold can be a smart way to diversify and protect your wealth. By understanding TSP rules, choosing a reliable custodian, and planning carefully, you can build a stronger retirement portfolio with the long-term value of gold. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.